Okay, so welcome again to our videos or playlist of videos in psychological statistics. And before we continue to the next one, let's try to answer this review exercises that I have given to you last video. Again, the instructions are to classify each variable using the appropriate terms from the following list. It's either going to be qualitative, but the full name is quantitative continuous and quantitative discrete. But I think it sounds better that way. It's quite straightforward and easy. Now, letter E, weight in grams of tomatoes at a grocery store. So what do you think that is? Is that rather? Actually, since it is in grams, basically it's not qualitative because it talks about quantity. And take a look at that. It has some units with it. So this is pretty much continuous variable or a quantitative continuous. Letter B, number of times person checks their emails per day. So we have number of times, clearly not qualitative. When you check your email, what do you do? That's going to be the next question you're going to ask yourself. Will you count or will you measure? If you measure, that will be continuous. If you count, that will be discrete. Now, when we try to look at the number of times a person checks their email, you count. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number of times. So this is discrete variable for letter B. Letter C, political party, if any, that a person voted for in the last national election. So political parties are not numerical in nature. They are names or names of the party, nacionalista, etc. So this is qualitative variable, a qualitative variable. Letter D, voter participation in the past national election as a percentage. So when you want to determine the voter participation, this is not qualitative. Let's put that straight up. It's not qualitative, so it's either going to be continuous or discrete. Now, when we talk about there as a percentage, all right, as a percentage, what we mean by that is it's possible for it to have decimal or fractional parts. So we know that discrete variables are only composed or is only limited to whole numbers. So therefore, this as percentage is clearly letter D, continuous variables. Letter E, daily temperature in degrees Celsius for the last August. We can have decimals there. And we are measuring temperature. So this is continuous variable as well. Letter F, letter grades, which is A, B, C, D, F. That in English 100 class received on their essays. So since we're talking about letter grades and not based on 100 grades, A, B, C, D, F, this is a qualitative variable. Okay, so thank you everyone. That will be our short video for the answers for this review exercises. See you in the next video. Bye.